So why climate emergency? So I think the easiest way you can get to answer this question is if the world went to zero emissions today, would we avoid catastrophic climate change? Any takers?
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
20
Okay.
year
Oh,
delay.
we're there. I can skip this section. Okay. So, yeah, if we went to, could we stop global warming, average temperatures rising, and eventually leading into catastrophic climate change? So I'll just here's some context. Does this ring a bell? Anything that connects these two photos?
The
80s, yeah. So the 80s was when we first started hearing about global warming in a very worldwide public scale. So, yeah, just keep that in mind. It was the late 80s, locomotion. Kylie had come out with the locomotion. I should be so lucky. Now, what's this a photo of?
It's a sinkhole in
Siberia.
Yep. What caused it?
Methane.
Methane, yeah.
Explosions.
Methane explosion. Methane literally exploding out of the tundra. Why is methane exploding out of the tundra?
It's melting.
It's melting. So, and here's just a Google image search of methane craters. So there was about 400 at last count. You can see this photo here. That's the methane coming out of the seafloor. Up there. It's right up the very northern part of Siberia. And as you know, methane is far more potent a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. It's 100 times more potent. If you average it out, the effect, but it's only potent for 20 years, which is fantastic. But if you average that out over 100 years, you can say it's 20, I think they say 20 more times more, and that's what is often used in government accounting, that it's 20 times more potent. Now, of course, back in when Kylie came out with the locomotion, methane coming out of the melting tundra, methane escaping, these were this was a theoretical tipping point. And that, we came up with other tipping points that were far off in the future. We weren't going to reach them because we were going to avoid catastrophic climate change. So we weren't going to get there. They were just theoretical. Anywho, here's 6 of the major tipping points, and we've started reaching, we've entered all of them. And they involve forest releasing more carbon dioxide than they absorb, methane, escaping methane, and reduce reflectivity from, the